Big day
and
today.
sexual.
We're pulling out this SR because it's going in my coupe. So we gotta Yankee Doodle it. Got the engine hoist from Uncle Joel. And still have to disconnect a couple things underneath the car. We gotta take off drive shaft, downpipe, engine mounts, and power steering. It should be good to... Man, not the $4 kit. Yeah, also scope this value at the dollar store. $4, man. How's that feel? Feel quality to you?
Feels better than Snatch On.
It's good shit.
I mean, Joel's out here spending fucking racks on Snap On. It's like, dude.
Yeah, Joel and Nelson just spending all their hard-earned monies on.
And Ben.
Yeah, see, we're on the value. $4, man.
It's like, have you not gone to the dollar store?
Come on. That's sick. We need that piece of wood so we can jack it up higher. Because our plan is we're gonna put these dually wheels, man, under the tire. Gotta get this block off. It's pretty mint. I took it apart, you know, to move it around easier. If anyone wants it, let me know. $6 grand, know what I have. Head's mint, like it was just it was just deck, so it's pretty good. Yeah. Minor pitting, but it's fine. You can probably run it. Man.
Oh no, you need to lift it one more time. One more time.
What are we saying about that setup? It's mint. It's getting chilly, man. Look how smoky it is.
There's the sun up there.
Thanks, Washington.
Yeah, thanks to your fucking baby shower that lit everything on fire, you fucking idiot.
Okay, so drive shaft, transmission cross member are disconnected. What we gotta do now is pull the starter wire out. It's still connected to the starter. Shifter, engine mounts, and should be good to shoot shit out. A little bit worried we might max out on the house, but you know, we can put a dent in the wall, it'll be fine, don't worry about it.
Yeah, it's alright.
A little bit of paper mache after to fix it.
Shit's already fact here anyway.
Yeah, it's been cooked. Okay, so Adam just set up the crane. Everything under the car is unbolted, I think. There's one coolant line and then power steering. We're ready to fucking Yankee Doodle it. What do you think, Adam? I think so.
Hopefully.
Right? Yeah, we'll find out.
Yeah.
Yeah, still really worried about this.
Clearance?
Yeah, because seeing it set up now, we don't really have that much space, but worst case Ontario, we'll pull it out, and then once it's off the mounts, we'll just lower the car, and then we'll have some more room. Yeah, we're using a ratchet strap because we don't have a chain. Comment below if that's a fucked thing to do. I think I've seen it done before, I don't know. We'll find out if it was the wrong idea, if the engine drops. Yeah.
Not my engine.
Okay, we got the setup here.
Let's start jacking it off.
This looks safe.
Watch the clip on the injector.
Yeah.
It's out of the mount on this side.
Yeah, mount on this side too. Here, let's try and get that coolant line off, and then.
Well, let's try to just pull it back and then get the coolant.
Wow, Adam, big moment.
Big scrotment.
She's chooching, boy. She's on her fucking angle. We're yanking her out. It's almost. I think we'll be fine. I think clearances are fine.
How's our clearance? Should I keep coming forward or should I start going up?
Go up a little bit.
No, on here. I can come forward.
Yeah. Okay, we're fully out if you want to just go back.
Yeah, the lever's button right there.
Can you go up a little bit? Well, would you look at that, eh, boys? So that wasn't too bad. Pulled her out pretty quick, you know, no damages, nothing broke, nothing fell. So yeah, here she is, boys, the new engine for the coupe. How's the back feel after that, Adam?
Not bad.
Yeah?
Yeah, it didn't really affect the scully too much.
My back hurt for some reason. I don't really know why.
Oh my club. It's great, isn't it?
Decent!
Thanks, Joel and Andrew, for the hoist rental.
Yeah, shout out to Platform Garage. Letting us borrow the hoist. Right arm to that.
So
now we can.
Working on Land Rovers anyway. So.
Yeah. They don't need this shit. Now we can finally get this thing out of the driveway. So I don't know if we said it or not, but Joel actually bought the shell, and yeah, I figure he's got some plans for it.
He's gonna make it into a car again.
Yeah, he's just gonna chuck overs on it. I don't even know. Fiberglass fenders probably. He'll make it look like a car again. Yeah, like Adam said. So.
Want a KA on it?
Yeah, KA. It's going to a good home. It's not going to the junkyard. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Alright.
Wow, all his plans from this bit.
It's Yankee Doodled. We're going to separate the trans from the engine because rear main is leaking very bad, but came with a new one. It also came with the oil seal in the trans. Might as well switch that too, you know. Might as well for there. Might as well do it. And a gasket as well. And
What? That's like in. Is it the turbo?
yeah, it's for the turbo, not for the trans.
Downpipe.
But we're pulling that eBay turbo off. We have a OEM turbo. I'll put on.
Yeah,
So right about now, you might be asking yourself, Moist Boys, what are you gonna do to this SR? You got plans for it? Here's the plan, right?
Give us the plan, man. Give us the fucking plan, Wazowski.
So it was running on 15 psi, but that's too scary. So mine's ECU is gone. We're gonna run a stock ECU. Probably 10 pounds of boost, 10
pissers?
psi. We'll refresh the whole engine. You know.
Why are you looking like Joel's cat there?
We'll refresh the engine, simplify the intake manifold, put the stock turbo on, and we'll just daily it. Have a good time. Make some choo-choo boy noise. Take the blow-off valve off the intake piping, so it makes the. Let us know if you want to buy an HKS blow-off valve.
Yeah, you bust those nuts.
Busty. Last Monday, boys went to the track to witness some skids, and moral of the story is we're fucked now. So Adam and I are looking for a drift car, so you can expect some drifting videos coming to the channel soon.
If anyone has a rear-wheel drive piece of shit on the island or in Vancouver, let us know.
Yeah, we might even I'll play some clips maybe from the video Monday. If you want to watch the full video, you can go to Platform Garage and watch it. But only after you subscribe to us, watch our videos, and drop a like. Then you can go show Uncle Joel some love.
Comment. We're here from the nephew's channel.
Yeah.
Say, fuck you, Uncle Joel. Dislike his
That's
video.
his business. We can't have that.
Go over there, watch his shit.
Yeah, watch Uncle Joel's shit.
Yeah.
But only
once you've watched our shit.
Yeah, watch our shit first. And then, if you really got nothing to do.
Like you're really bored. Like last resort. Your only other option of stuff to do is eat toenails or something. Come on, give her the toys. Oh yeah.
Oh, crunchy, man.
Crunchy. Extra crunchy peanut butter. Ah!
What the fuck?
That's a big hole. Oh.
Why are they so taut?
Nice.
Looks like working with OEM clutch. Yeah. Inside of the trans, there's so much oil. Like, look at this.
Oh, yes.
So something's leaking in there. Yeah. So I guess we'll pull the clutch off now. Look at the rear main. Give it a little inspection. And then, yeah, might do the rear main right now. Might go take a bath. I'd love to have a bath right now.
Bubbles?
Just chill in the bath, watching some
Candles? You gonna put rose petals in there?
Put some candles on.
Rose petals?
Some of those bath salts in there too.
Oh, you can just smoke the bath salts. Or it gets you real fired up. Alright, well, should we try to pull this clutch off?
Yes, so let's put this trans on the piece of wood. Is this feeling sturdy?
Yeah. How'd it stink?
Stinks. It's got a little bit of stink on it. Thinking maybe an $80 XTD might do me well. What do you think, Adam?
Yeah, because these are kind of the wear lines, so once these are like gone.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know if we can take this off. I don't have a 12 point. Alright, everything's out. Harness is in the garage. Everything we need's in the garage. We got her going. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes when we pull the flywheel off with the rear main seal.
Do some mods. We're also going to do some
mods, yeah.
Colby's going to do some E30 mods.
Yeah, no doubt.
With little to no knowledge of anything.
Yeah. Joel's going to come pick up this piece of shit.
Yeah.
We'll fucking fire the SR in my car probably a couple weeks.
Do some boost.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah.
Yeah, so comment, like, subscribe. We're trying to get subscribers before we delete the channel because this growth is extremely demotivating. And stay tuned.